Trees on the golf course. While trees add beauty and challenge to a golf course, it's important to recognize that misplaced trees can cause serious turf grass management problems. Grass planted on golf courses needs a lot of light, typically around 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. This is particularly true on the putting greens where the grass is cut very short. Too much shade from the surrounding trees results in thin turf that cannot stand wear and tear. In some cases, it's necessary to completely remove some of the trees near the green to allow adequate sunlight. In other instances, selective tree pruning will allow enough light to reach the putting surface. Tree roots absorb tremendous quantities of water and nutrients from the soil. When these roots reach into the green, the tree competes with the grass for water and nutrients, and the grass usually loses. For most trees, the root system is very extensive. A general rule of thumb is that tree roots extend outward from the trunk at a distance roughly equal to the height of the tree. To reduce this competition between the trees and the grass, tree roots are often severed at approximately the most outward branches or drip line of the tree. Greens also need plenty of air moving across the putting surface to help keep the leaves dry, which in turn greatly reduces disease problems. Since dense trees block the wind, it's no coincidence that greens surrounded by trees are usually the weakest on the course. Selective pruning, paying particular attention to the predominant wind patterns, can dramatically improve the health of greens. Trees can also cause turf grass problems on the other parts of the course. On tees, shade is usually the biggest problem, since trees can reduce the area of the tee golfers use. For example, trees planted too close to the left side of the tee may cause golfers to use only the far right side of the teeing area. The result is a much smaller tee, unable to withstand the concentrated traffic.